Okay, can you bring that only technology also into this visualization? So what we need to do is, which filter we need to be change it?
Again going to category.
Okay,
Select the category into technology.
edit. We can include the technology as well. Okay, we can include the technology as well. Apply. Okay. So we can get it. Same thing is reflecting the dashboard or not. We check it. Okay. Then we can go for mail to the client. So this kind of change I have done. So you can go for check it. Okay. So after 1 week again, client want to exclude the technology from the report. So this is every time. So client got idea that so every time whenever I want to exclude or include it, contacting the team member and if he's not available, it will be processed to raise the request and going to be put into the priority list and bringing the results. It's big difficult,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Taking 1 or 2 times, but you want to see the data. Okay, what is there any other option that whenever I want to be whenever I want to be include that particular technology, I can include into the visualization? So if I don't want it, I exclude it from the visualization. Is there any other option filtering dynamically?
Show
Context.
filter. Show filter.
Yeah, we have the option called as show filter. That's the quick filters as well. We can say that. Okay, show filter. So can I go for category filter? Show filter option is there. Show filter.
Srinivas, sorry, one question. So quick filter and show filter are same. I mean,
Both are same. Both are same. Okay. So we can call it a show filter as a quick filter. So you can see that the category option is here. Whatever you want it, you can select it that get displayed in the visualization. If you don't want it, uncheck it. Select it, it's get displayed. Okay. If you don't want it, uncheck it. If you want to display all, select the all, you can get display the data. Okay. Same you can do for region as well. Go for show filter, region also. So central region I'm getting displayed. If any case I want to see the east region as well, go for selected. South region as well, go for selected. If you don't want to these three, just I want to go for west. Select the west region itself. Okay, select the west region itself. If you want to get all, select all. All the regions related data we are getting included here. All the regions related data we get. So these options we can give it to the end users, so they dynamically pass the value. So I want to see only technology, yes, fine. I can see only technology. Okay, similarly, can I give it for year as well? Yes. We can go for year filter, show filter. Okay, which year you can select it, only that particular year related data you can get displayed here. Okay, say this 2020, 2021, 2019 related data. We are filtering. So combination of data to 2021, I want to see only central region data. 2021 central region, only office supplies data. 2021 central region office supplies data, I can see it here, right? So 2021 office supplies central and east region, office supplies and furniture data. So the option we are providing to the end users, they can dynamically play with that. Whatever data they wanted, what are the combinations they wanted. Okay, this is the quick filters or show filter. On top of filter, we have this option. You can get show them. So how we can bring these filters into the dashboard? Go for dashboard. On top of this sheet, we applied that filters, right? Go for here. Okay, go for more options in this filters. There is option called as filters. Okay, what are the filters you created? The list you can find it here. That list you can find it. Category I want it. Go for selected. Okay, and filters I have it region as well. Go for selected. I want the filters year as well. Go for select. Can you see that filters here? All the
Yes.
filters can be added, and you can order, arrange the order as well. I want to here in top, just drag and drop into the top of it, you can get it. And furniture category and region, or region I want to on top of the category, you can arrange the order. Okay, So from this selection of this, the report can be changed. So you may get the doubt here. So when I select these filters, only this particular sheet 25 is getting affected. Only this report is reflecting, right?
Measure filter and dimension filter works only on sheet level.
No, no.
No,
We can
it's
apply
like,
this.
They're applying all worksheets.
Yes. Yeah.
okay, yeah, she's point is correct, which is the normal filter. We say that can be work on only the sheet. So when you go for this dimension filter, this suppose region as a dimension filter, right? If we right mouse on and show filters, you can say that show filter, it is behavior is changed. This behavior is changed when it come to this here, unless the filter also can work for only that particular sheet. This point is clear. Okay, it will be work for only that particular sheet. But can you make it this apply to the other sheets? Yes, we can do that. Okay, when it come to this particular into the quick filter, show filter, do you want to apply this filter to the other sheets? Yes, we can do that. How we can do it is, you can go for more options. Okay, apply to worksheet, selected worksheets. What are the worksheets you want to reflect with this filter? Those you can select it from here. Those you can select it from here. Okay, the filter can apply to the multiple worksheets. The filter can apply to the multiple worksheet. What are the sheets you can select it? Only those sheets can get affected. Okay, what are the list of sheets you can select it? Those sheets can be affected. Okay, if you create the new fresh sheet, but it doesn't affect it. Okay, you need to manually select that. You need to manually select it. Okay, it is a quick filter. So if you want to apply this filter to the multiple worksheets, yes, you can do that. How we can apply it? Go with that filter, more options, apply to worksheet, selected worksheet. The first option is only this worksheet. The filter can work only that particular worksheet. The filter can work for only that particular worksheet. The first option is apply to worksheet, only this worksheet. The filter can only work for that particular sheet. When you go for selected worksheet, okay, you can select that which sheets want to get affected with this filter. Sheet 19 I want to affect with this filter. Sheet 21, 22, 23 I don't want it, you can leave it. 23 I don't want to reflect with this filter. Okay, that is also possible. So using this options, you can apply to the multiple sheets. Can you see this when I select the
Small doubt, sir.
yeah,
This show filter is also part of our measure and dimension filter only, no?
exact. On top
Further
of that,
extension to
yeah, on top of that we can create a show filter. Okay,
okay.
yeah. So again, category is a dimension filter. On top of it, we make it as show the values to make it easy to the client to select the data in the visualization. Okay, clear? So this is the way we can give the options to the filter shell. Just give a minute, I will get my charger. Yeah. So Sure. Okay. So this filters can apply to the multiple worksheets. So selected or same, I want to go for apply the region as well. Go for here, apply worksheet, selected worksheet. Okay, so which worksheets you want to apply that region, you can select it.
Srinivas, such a small question.
Yeah.
So, I mean, if the, for example, region is not there, I mean, it's not selected, it's not part of the sheet 26 also, the sheet will get affected, right? Because, I mean,
Yes.
it's not displayed, it's only January month, only months and sales are displayed and order date. So, I mean,
But
if
it's
region
not
is not,
required to, it's not required to part of the visualization. Okay.
okay,
The particular region level sales is happening, right? The region,
yeah,
in the
yeah,
particular region, there is a stores and we are selling it.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. It's not required to part of the visualization, but you can
But,
filter on.
but when we say apply to worksheet 26 also, that region, as for example, West region, only we want only West region data, sales and month and order date will be displayed, right?
We get that. See,
I mean,
I'm changing it. Only West region, only West region data we can get it.
so even if it's West region is not part of the visualization, so
Yeah,
it will get,
region not required that. Okay. It's
okay,
not required into that particular visualization.
okay, thanks.
So not only the region, any field. Suppose year is not part of that, this report, right? To the sheet 19. So year field is not part of the visualization. Okay, sheet 23, year is not part of the visualization. In the pie chart, year is not part of the visualization. Okay, on based on that selection of the filter, the reports are get reflected. Okay, this is we not apply to all other. Okay, year filter. So let's see this. All are changing.
Yeah, correct.
So central region is not part of the sheet 22.
Uh-huh.
Central is not part of the sheet 23 and sheet 19, but not required to take that field into the part of the visualization. Just you need to be used as a filter. Okay, filter can be applied to the sheets.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, this is we can go for easy to the customer, make a show filter. Okay, show filter will help us to pass the values to the visualization. Okay, not restricting the data and giving the instructor the visualization and get the related data into the report. Okay, clear this. So from here you need to be practice it. Okay, next let's go for. So whenever you can see that we have the subcategory wise sales, subcategory wise sales, I have it here. So when I drag my subcategory into filter shelf, when I drag my subcategory into filter shelf, what are the options? You can see that. So first option, general option is there, wildcard, condition, top. 4 options there in the each and every dimension filter. Any filter you can go for it. General, wildcard, condition, top. Okay. So select from the list. You can select from the list. Use all values. Directly it will take all the values in this. What are the values we have it? It will take all the values. Okay. Custom value list. Custom value list, manually you need to type it what your selection you wanted. Okay. Suppose from here, art is simple, right? Go for here, say that art. Okay. Only art can get displayed. Sorry. It is a where is none. Make it as none. Go for custom value list. See that only art I can get it. So manually you need to type it custom value list in the sense manually you need to type it what kind of data you want to be included. Okay, generally for this case we don't use it, but this option we can use it for different purpose. I will tell you where you can go for use it. Okay, custom value, manually you need to type it. Anyhow, we have the list of, right, we can go for do the selection, but different scenarios we can use this custom value list. Okay, for the future we can go for see that where we can use the custom value list as well. But manually you want to type it, we can go for use this custom value list. Use all values means you can go for select list of values. Whatever the values we have it, all we can go for use it. Okay. So this is select all, select from the list. Whatever the selection you wanted, you can select it, or all also you can select. Okay. Next, wildcard. In the wildcard, you can see that contains, start with, ends with, exactly match. Okay. Contains, start with, ends with, exactly match. So particularly here you can see that which are the subcategory starting with A. Which are the subcategory name is starting with A. I want to get display them. Yes, you can go for use it. Start with, you can mention that A. The subcategory name is starting with A, then get display them. Apply. You can see that accessories, appliances, arts. Only those we can get display. Okay. Edit it, filter. Wildcard ends with. So the subcategory names ends with E. Suppose is there any E or not? I don't know that. Just I'm trying it. So the subcategory name ends with E. Is there any subcategory? Then bring that. Okay. Apply. Okay. Storage. Only one is there. Storage. Okay. Start with, ends with means that, and you can go with contains. Okay. Contains means, so anywhere you have the A in the subcategory names, so you can get display that A. Okay. Or you can go for RE. In the subcategory names, anywhere RE is there, so it should be continuous. It will be RE. Okay. Then bring that. So apply. Okay. No, nothing like that. You can see RS. Okay. We can find that our chairs is there, binders is there, and what else we have it? Only those two, chairs and binders. Or you can go with any other one. ER, fasteners, ER, copiers. Okay. Binders, we have that, right? ER. Subcategory drag into filter shelf. Wildcard contains ER. Contains ER. Apply. Okay. You can see that binders, copiers, fasteners, papers. Okay. This is the way we can get display the data. And that's called as wildcard match. Contains, start with, ends with. Exactly match means you need to give the entire name exactly match with that. Paper. Then you need to give that paper. Okay, exactly match with the name. Then only it will be get displayed. Okay, only paper we can get it. Edit. So wildcard you can go for it. So now if I go for check this exclude, what happens? If I go for check this exclude, what happens? What results we can get into the sheet? Can anyone tell me?
Except
Well,
paper,
What we excluded, it will not display.
except paper, all others will come.
displayed.
I mean, no, I think it's reverse. Only paper will come, or
The
others will
selected options will not display if we select the exclude.
no, here it is, does not match now. So only paper will come and all others won't come.
No, it
Paper will not displayed.
excludes which is not matching with paper.
So what would be the result?
Only paper will come.
Okay. Yeah. Any other answers? Only paper will come.
No, other than paper, remaining will come.
Exactly.
The
Other
remaining all
will
will
we
display.
can get other values. We are saying that don't match with paper. It's saying that don't match. Does not match. Okay. Does not match with paper. Remaining all will get displayed. Okay. So apply. Okay. Other than paper, remaining all get displayed in the visualization. Okay. Edit it. So we are saying that paper is selected, exclude. At the same time, here you can see that does not match with the paper.
So Srinivas, is it we are excluding only paper then? When we
Yeah, we are excluding only paper. Okay, we are excluding only paper.
So if we uncheck exclude, paper will come.
Only if you uncheck the exclude, only paper will get displayed.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks.
Edit filters. So this is all the wildcard options. Okay, this is all called the wildcard option. Next, condition. We have option called as condition. By field, we have that by field. Let me go for remove this all. I'm clearing this filter at wildcard and all. Okay, condition by field. So what is my condition here? So how we can apply the condition? So I have here, go for it and text. What is my condition is where my sales is greater than 50,000, only bring those subcategories. Sales is greater than 50,000. Only bring that 50,000 above sales subcategory into the visualization. How we can do that is drag the subcategory into filter shelf, condition, by field. Based on the sales, I am saying that, right? So greater than, not equal to, not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Everyone know that meanings of this, right? Equal to means matching value.
Yes.
Not equal to means where the sales is not equal to particular value. Less than means less than 50,000. Okay, less than means less than 50,000. Less than or equal to means it will consider the 50,000 as well. Only less than means 50,000 below. Okay, 49,999. Whereas if we go with equal to 50,000 also, they consider it. Okay, greater than means greater than 50,000. Greater than or equal to means they consider the 50,000 also into this condition. Okay, so sales, sum of sales greater than 50,000. Okay, by sales. Okay, so you can see that which are the subcategories. Sales is greater than 50,000. Greater than 50,000. Is it clear?
Yeah, clear.
Yes.
Everybody. Okay, edit filter. So next we have that here. You can go for by formula option also is there. How we can write by formula is simple. Sum of,
Sales.
every time you can go for use it sum of sales,
Sales.
because data need to be aggregated. Data need to be sum into that particular subcategory level. Sum of sales greater than or equal
Equal to
50,000. Okay, this is a formula, you can write it. Okay, same way, less than or equal to or whatever calculation you want to write it, you can do that. Whenever you can write the text, it's a number, not required it. Whenever you can write in the text kind of formula, then you need to put into the single quotations. Okay, always string should be in single quotations. Click OK. The same thing we can edit. Or you want to do the change, just make it as 1 lakh. The difference we can find it, right? 1 lakh. Apply. Okay. Can you see that the sales greater than 1 lakh we are getting? Okay. So that is we have option condition, by condition. And the fourth one we have the top option. Fourth one we have it is top. So by using this we can get that top 5 subcategories, top 10 subcategories kind of thing you want it, right? So client asked that show me the top 5 subcategories based on sales. So which are performing well, top 5 performers. So then you can go for make it as this option, top 5 subcategories. Okay, based on sales. Just click OK. So only top 5 subcategories we can get it. These are the top 5 subcategories. Similarly, I want to see the bottom 5. You can go for do that. Select the category and sales. Okay. Make it as ascending order. Which are the bottom 5 subcategories? Fasteners, labels, envelopes, arts, and supplies. These are the bottom 5 subcategories. I want to get only these subcategories into my visualization. How I can get that? Drag the subcategory into filter shelf. Go with the top option by field. Here we have the drop down called as bottom. drop down call as bottom 5. Give it value 5. Click OK. Can you see that? These are the bottom 5 subcategories. Okay. So these are the 4 options which we have in the filters. General, wildcard, condition, top. So how we can write the by formula here? Top 5. Just sum of sales or sum of profit based on which measure you are doing that. Just write that sum of sales I want it. While you are typing that, sales field get pop up, select that and close it. Okay, the top 10 or top 5 I'm based on calculating that sum of sales. Sum of top 8 I can say that. Okay, see the top 8 we can get in the list.
Srinivas, one question.
Yeah.
So in this edit filter, you mentioned both top and bottom, right? Which will it take?
One sheet I mentioned this top,
Acha,
another
okay,
sheet I
okay,
mentioned this bottom.
Okay. Radio button is only for the top formula.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Clear these are all from any questions?
Clear, Anna.
Okay, so we need to do with a different example, multiple examples and get the results. You need to try that. Okay, then only you can get a confidence on that filters. Okay, so if you go with this all and tomorrow we can go for what are the different options we have in the show filter. When you make it as show filter, we have the different types of options here. You can go for more options. These are all the options we have in the show filter. Okay, what is this all options? We can see it tomorrow. Okay, what is this kind of options we have in the show filter?
Okay, thanks, Srinivas.
Okay, is it fine? So go ahead with share your email IDs. This recording I will share only for who are attending the sessions, not for everybody.
Then,
Okay, Srinivas.
Okay, thank you everyone.
bye.
Thank
Thank you.